Good morning all my dear 5th class students. How are you all? Are you listening the lessons? Are you able to understand? What is the name of third lesson? Skeletal and muscular system. What you have discussed yesterday, children, once recall about muscular system. Okay, what is the muscular system made of? Made of muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, muscles. The smooth parts of the body is called the muscles. Okay, children, muscular system is made up of muscles. These are also organs. Skeletal system is made up of bones. Like that, muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, now. So, how many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 640 muscles in our body. Okay, and 40% of our body is made up of muscles. 40% of our body is made up of muscles. Okay, so muscles are made of thick elastic bundles of tissues. Okay, na? So muscles also made up of tough elastic tissues are called muscles. I come again. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, muscles are, there are 640 muscles in our body. Okay, and 40% of our body weight is made up of muscles. Okay, what are muscles made of? Muscles are made of tough elastic tissues. Okay, come, I will show the muscles. See here, come here, ma. Stand up. Okay, see here, your cheeks. Flesh your cheek. Okay, touch your cheeks, amma. Okay, we feel something smooth. Okay, touch these parts, amma. These smooth parts are called muscles. Okay, touch these parts. These smooth parts are called muscles. Okay, na. So fleshy and smooth parts are called muscles. If you press, see here, if you press, okay, if you press, we feel something smooth and elastic nature. So muscles are made up of tough elastic tissues. Okay, stretchy tissues. Is it clear? Muscles are made up of tough elastic tissues. Is it clear? Okay, so come here. Okay, muscles attached to the bones. Okay, this smooth part attached to the hard part. That means hard parts are called bones. Smooth parts are called muscles. Bones cannot move. Bones cannot move. Okay, bones cannot move themselves. They need they need something to move. Okay, who help to move the bones? Yes, you are right. Muscles help them to move. So muscles and bones work together with coordination. Then only we can move our body parts easily. So all the muscles attached to the bones only. So bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we can move our body parts. Is it clear? Muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, muscles are attached to the bone. Bones cannot move themselves. They need something to move. Okay, so muscles help them to move. Okay, so muscles are attached to the bone. Then only we can move our body parts. So we have muscles all over the body. Okay, na? So, but function is different. Okay, na? Each muscle function is different. Is it clear? Okay, what are the different types of muscles? Yesterday we discussed, no children. Okay, what are the different types of muscles? Are all muscles are same in our body? No. Muscles are different types. They are, once recall, they are three types. What are they? Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles. Where did you find the voluntary muscles? In your arms and your legs and neck and tongue. These body parts are made up of voluntary muscles, children. These are voluntary muscles. Okay, if you want to raise your hands, it is your wish. If you want to raise your hand to pick up something, it is your wish. If you want to write something on the board, it is your wish. Okay, children. So voluntary muscles means the muscles which are under our control, they are called voluntary muscles. Is it clear, ma? So listen, voluntary muscles are helping, working, writing, drawing, okay, running, jumping, dancing, all these activities. Why means these are under our control. Okay, na? If you want to, okay, fight with others. If you want to do boxing, okay, na? Like this, okay. It is your wish, children. It is your wish. Okay, if you want to bite, if you want to beat. Okay, if you want to beat to others like this, no. If you want to do dance, okay, na. If you want to, okay, like jogging, all these are your wish. Okay, all these body parts are like arms, legs, neck, tongue. All these are made up of voluntary muscles. Don't confuse. Okay, voluntary muscles means which are under our control, children. Okay, na. So these muscles help in writing, running and doing some jobs. Is it clear? Next, involuntary muscles. These are not under our control. Okay, they are working automatically. Okay, na. So where did you find the involuntary muscles? Walls of the foot pipe, walls of the stomach, okay, walls of the intestine are involuntary muscles. They keep on working. They do not take rest. They do not get tired. Okay, what is the third one? Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles means your heart muscles are the cardiac muscles. Okay, na, these are very special kind of tough muscles. So heart muscles, the walls of the heart muscles are cardiac muscles. Is it clear, ma? Okay, these action is involuntary. Okay, na? So they too do not take tired. They too do not take rest. So cardiac muscles, our heart muscles are called cardiac muscles. Okay, na? So muscles are involuntary muscles, voluntary muscles and cardiac muscles. So always muscles work in pairs, children. Always muscles work in pair, amma. A pair of muscles work at the joint to bring about the movement. Okay, na? So listen. What is, okay, see here, muscles are attached to the bones, no, children. This muscle is attached to the bone. Yes, children. By strong fiber like structures called ligament. Tendons, children. Don't forget it, amma. So bones are, see here, muscles are attached to the bone by strong fibers called tendon. Is it clear? Okay, what is the difference between ligament and tendon? Ligament means in between two, see here, upper arm bone, this is the lower arm bone, meet at one place, no, children. This is the humerus, no, humerus bone, upper arm bone and lower arm bone meet at one place. That is called a joint, no, children. Each joint number of ligaments are present. Okay, the number of ligaments are present. So ligaments, see here, see this picture. This is upper arm bone, this is the lower arm bone. Okay, in between two bones, strong tissues are present. Those are called ligaments. So bones are held together by strong tissues are called ligaments, amma. So ligaments join the bones at the joint. Don't confuse. Ligaments are present in between two bones. Okay, na? Ligaments are strong elastic tissues. Okay, na? So where are the present? Ligaments are present or ligaments are join the bones at the joint. Ligaments are join the bones at the joint. We have so many kinds of joints. Okay, hips, ankle, okay, and knee, elbow, okay, and shoulder, and knuckles, wrist, okay, neck, number of joints are there. In between joints, okay, ligaments are present. Ligaments join the bones at the joint. Is it clear? Ligaments, see here, these stretchy tissues like structures are present in between two bones. Those are called ligaments. Is it clear? Ligaments join the bones at the joint. At the joint, don't confuse. What is called tendon? Muscles are attached to the bone. Muscles are attached to the bone by strong fiber, cord-like structures called tendon. In between two bones, ligaments are present. Muscles are attached to the bone by strong fibers called tendons. Is it clear? Okay, muscles always work in pairs, amma. Okay, they are called biceps and tricep muscle. Okay, na. So muscles can do only one thing. They can contract or relax. Okay, muscles always work in pairs. What are the two pairs of muscles, amma? Bicep muscle, tricep muscle. Muscles always work in pair. Bicep muscle, tricep muscle. Here we have lower side of the arm muscle is present, upper side of the arm muscle is present. Okay, we have two pairs of muscles. Okay, they are bicep muscle, tricep muscle. Is it clear? So muscles can do only one thing, either shortening or lengthening. Okay, na? They can contract or get shorter, and they cannot stretch or get longer. So most muscles work in pairs. Most muscles work in pairs. Okay, na? So one pulling one way, the other pulling the opposite way. So the biceps and tricep muscles in our upper arm are a good example of muscle teamwork. Muscle teamwork. Is it clear? Muscles always work in pairs. See the board, bicep muscle, tricep muscle. I will show one activity. Okay. I will do one activity. Come on, ma. Come here, Tali. Stand there. Raise your hand, ma. Raise your hand, keep the hand like this, tightly. See her hand, children, see her hand. Okay, children, see her hand. See, this is the upper arm. When she raised her hand, see the muscle, this is the bicep muscle. Bicep muscle gets shorter, children. Okay, na? Two muscles are required to move the bones in one direction. Okay, na? She can move the hand like this, no? Okay, like one direction. Okay, just bend the hand like this. Okay, bend the hand like this. See here, amma. Okay, see. Two muscles are required to move the bones in one direction, no, children. For example, when we raise your arm, you to try along with her. Okay, when you raise your arm, the bicep muscle becomes shorter. See here, this is the bicep muscle. Okay, fold the hand tightly, fold the wrist tightly. Okay, see, this is the bicep muscle. Bicep muscle gets shorter, amma. Okay, na? Bicep muscle becomes shorter, means contracts and pulls up the okay. And here tricep muscle get length, means relax. This is the tricep muscle get relax. I come again, amma. When you hold the hand like this, when you raise the hand like this, okay, na? This is the bicep muscle, this is the tricep muscle. Bicep muscle becomes shorter. Observe carefully. Bicep muscle becomes shorter. Okay, tightly. Bicep muscle gets shorter. Shorter means smaller. Shorter means contraction. Bicep muscle gets contract. Contract and become shorter. And this is the tricep muscle get relaxed. Okay, na? Relaxed. Tricep muscle becomes lengthening and a relaxation position. Now hold the hand like this. Hold the hand like this. Okay, now bicep muscle become relax and tricep muscle become shorter, contract. Is it clear? Always muscles work in pairs, amma. Always muscles work in pairs. Okay, we have two pairs. Okay, we have a pair of muscles are present in the arms and legs. Okay, na? So always muscles work in pairs, no? So when we hold the hand or raise your hand like this, okay, na? See here, this bicep muscle get shorter, means contract. Okay, in that time opposite muscle get relaxed. Okay, na? Opposite muscle, this is the tricep muscle get relaxed. When you, okay, remove the hand like this. Yes, now observe carefully. Okay, this tricep muscle get shorter, means contraction. The opposite muscle, what is this? Bicep muscle get relax. Is it clear, children? Okay, I come again. muscles always work in pairs. Okay na, bicep muscle, tricep muscle. Okay, when you hold the hand tightly like this, okay, this muscle get shorter, this muscle tightly, this, see here, observe careful, this muscle become contract, means shorter, the opposite muscle get relax when you really, okay, come on, yes, okay, see here, now see here, this muscle get relaxed ma, this bicep muscle get relaxed, now tricep muscle get shorter, okay, contract. Is it clear children? Come, so muscles always work. See the blackboard ma, see the blackboard. Okay, so two muscles are required to move the bones in one direction. When we raise your arm, the bicep muscle, see the board, first picture. Okay, this is the bicep and this is the tricep. When we raise the hand, the bicep muscle get shorter and the tricep muscle get relaxed, longer. Okay na? So see here this picture. When we remove the hand, okay, this bicep muscle get relax and tricep muscle get contract, means shorter. Is it clear? Muscles always work in pairs children. Is it clear? Okay, I will show you one more picture. See here these pictures. Muscles can do only one thing only. Okay na, muscles can do only one thing. Okay, they can contract or get shorter. Okay, they cannot stretch or get longer. So most muscles work in pairs. One pulling one way, the other pulling the opposite way. So the bicep and tricep muscles in our upper arm are a good examples of muscle teamwork. See here, this is the upper arm bone. When you raise your arm goes up, when you to do along the explanation, see here, you have to raise your hand up, then this is the tricep, this is the bicep muscle get shorter and tricep muscle get relax. Okay na, and see here, when your arm stretch, see here, tricep muscle get shorter and bicep muscle get relax. Is it clear children? Okay, see here, this is the bone. A pair of muscles are attached to the bone by a tendon. Okay, these are the two pairs of muscles. A pair of muscle, bicep muscle, tricep muscle. Okay, these muscles attached to the bone by strong tissues are called, fiber-like structures are called tendon. Is it clear? These red color parts are called muscles. Okay, these are called tendon. So when we raise your arm goes up, the tricep muscle get relaxed and bicep muscle get contraction position, ante enti shorter. Okay, and when your arm stretch, your bicep muscle get relaxed and tricep muscle get shorter. Is it clear? So always muscles work in pairs. Okay children, they can contract or get shorter. They cannot stretch or get longer. So most muscles work in pairs. Okay, one pulling one way, the opposite one, the other pulling the opposite way. Okay children, is it clear ma? So tomorrow we will discuss about the functions of the muscles. You have to read the textbook ma. Okay, you have to read the textbook. Okay, working in pairs and types of muscles and what are muscles. What are muscular system made up of? What are muscles? How many kinds of muscles? How many types of muscles? What are muscles made of? Okay, so and working in pairs, working in muscles, working of muscles. Okay na? So you have to read the textbook. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you functions of the muscles. Okay children, bye, see you tomorrow.